With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question the incorrect statement is, so let's find out which is the incorrect statement. So the first statement is saying that, statement A is saying that beryllium cation has the largest hydration energy among all alkali earth metal. So here we have second group element, alkali earth metal, we have beryllium. Here we have magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and the last is radium, Ra2 positive. All right, so this is the group second element given to us. So down the group, when we move down the group, the hydration energy will be decrease out. Hydration energy will be decreasing. Hydration energy will be decreasing. All right, so according to this, we can say that beryllium has the highest hydration energy among its group. So the first statement is correct. So statement B is saying that the second ionization enthalpy of alkali earth metal are smaller than those of corresponding alkali metal. So here we can say that this is a alkali earth metal, and here in this case we have hydrogen, lithium, sodium, and here we have potassium. All right, so these are group second, alkali metal. This is alkali metal, group 1, and this is alkali earth metal, So when we are talking about the second ionization energy, so it is stable in second ionization energy and it is stable in the first ionization energy. But when we extract one more electron from this hydrogen, or we can say that sodium, we can say that, then it will have the more energy as compared to barium, because it will attain a noble gas configuration. That's why when we extract electron from noble gas configuration, it will require more energy as compared to this, because it will attain noble gas configuration and it will distort its noble gas configuration. That's why it will have the more ionization energy as compared to this when we talk about the second ionization energy. So the second statement is saying that it has a less ionization energy as compared to the alkali earth metal. So it is the correct option. Let's see the second C statement. Lithium is the strongest reducing agent in solution among all elements. So it is also correct. How? Let us see here. As we are seeing this alkali metal, when we are talking about aqueous medium, then we can say that lithium is the strongest reducing agent. But when we are talking about gas form, then we can say cesium is the strongest reducing agent. Why? Because due to it has highest hydration energy in this group when we are talking about aqueous medium, but in gas form there is no hydration energy will be there. That's why cesium has the strongest reducing agent, act as a reducing agent, and we can say that in aqueous medium lithium will be act as the strongest reducing agent. So it is also correct. And the D option is saying that lithium chloride and magnesium chloride are the most ionic in their group. So it is wrong. Why? Because down the group, when we are moving down the group, hydration energy will be decreasing and ionic character will be increasing down the group. All right, ionic character will be increasing down the group and hydration energy will be decreasing down the group. So as it is saying that LiCl has the highest ionic character, but in this case we can say that LiCl will have the least ionic character. Instead of CaCl has the highest ionic character. In this second group we have barium chloride has the highest ionic character. So the last statement is incorrect. So according to question, we have to find out which statement is incorrect. So this statement is incorrect. So answer of this question is option D is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.